Yeah, bit of a contrast. That's a good T-shirt. London, New York, Berlin, Newcastle. Cessnock. What are you applauding for? Whoa, Cessnock! I've been putting you on Cessnock, huh? No, it's good. I was over there. I was over in London. I flew over. I seem to always attract weird people. I flew over in the plane. I'll tell you, maybe it's me. I flew on the plane. This lady was sitting there, and she didn't see me sit down next to her, and she was watching a DVD, and I just went over and did a bit of that. You know, she was watching me. Hello, real thing here. Turned around and saw me, she really freaked out. She went, oh my God. You know what she said? How did you get here? I said, I come out of the screen. She tried to crack onto me. What are you laughing at? Patronising, people laughing. She did, she bunged it on me. She goes, oh, you're better looking in real life. Oh, gee, thanks. Never seen you on TV, so I'm figuring this is the best you got.